So my friends, now I made it so long. You have all the 4 colors, the blue, the yellow, the pink and the green. So, and then how it's look. The blue, the yellow or coffee dyed, and the pink, and some inking around, and the green, so that was that. Now I have printed some in some envelopes, and as you see it's not quite nice, but I'm thinking maybe I could have it, you see, it's quite nice like that, so I can use that part and maybe this part. And I have the pink one, but that turns out really nice, I think, if you look at the background here. You see, you have the flowers. I have to figure out how I am going to do tomorrow. I will do one more video, maybe 2. That was the pink. So, and here we have the blue and the coffee dyed or yellow. And I have printed out one of those. Have it as a cover maybe, or just have that as a cover. I am not friend with myself yet. And I am going to print out the lined paper as well. But we are going to have some of those in here. We can take this in the blue. We have some lexicon. So, and we are going to turn it in there. And here we have a big one, big page. We are cutting it. And the same here. Here is a lady as well. It's nice to have. And we have this one over there. And maybe we are going to have this is a description of a company, how you have your money and how you're counting and yes, borrow, paying. So I like those over here. So I was thinking if we have them, let me think, are we going to have them like this? Or we are going to have them like this. we do them a little bit shorter, like that maybe. Like that. So, and we can split. So now we are going to have this one. Yeah. One here. You're going to cut it. It's interesting to have. And we do the same over here. We are taking there. Oh, now my husband is calling for me. Yes, he have to call. So, and we do the same with this one. And we are going to have it like that. Am I in the frame? Hopefully. And we are going to have it like that. So, and we put, yes, so, and the other one over here. He disappeared. Sorry for that. So, and if we are counting, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I'm printing out the lined paper. It's be 6. Small and beautiful journals. So, and we're cutting it like that. This shall have 4 there as well. It's lined paper, but you can't see them. It's so light. I am enjoy all of this canvas thing. It's really nice. So if we take those in the middle, so we do that. And yep, take over there, and we take the over there. So I have some cutting tomorrow, as you see, and I really don't know if I should leave them as they are, or maybe I should do a cover. I had a cover here I liked really much. We see, I saw it before today. Sorry for that. It was in traveler's notebook size. And you have it reusable cover. It doesn't matter which one I take. It's the wrong size. Yes, it is. Okay. Where did it go? I had a beautiful one here. And really, really nice. Okay. I don't find it. Yes, here it is. I was thinking to do like this. And you can put all those in here. You can have really many. So, yeah, it will be good. You know, when you have a lot of traveler's notebook in one what do we say? I'll show you over here. One way is to have many, what you can call them, rubber band. So you can have them one by one. We see what else I have here. There are rubber band, but I have a small ones over here. Yes, I'll show you. Here I have two, and here is only one. Band. What did I say? Rubber band. I don't think it's the right word. I'm so sorry for my bad English. Here, you do like this. My little journal over there as well. You put them around too. And then you have this one. Voila. Something like that. I was thinking of have those four. So you have two there, here, and two over there. Voila, it's done. So I'm finished here now. But we see each other tomorrow. So, bye.